Good morning, everybody. It is day 9 on the Camino Francis. We're leaving Maneru with this beautiful sunrise coming out. This is a fantastic albergue. If you get a chance, I would stay here. This is the best night's sleep I've had so far. And good meal and lots of nice people. So we're on our way to Estella. See you later on the trail. This is a beautiful view as you're leaving Maneru. I really wish I could have gotten into the church. It's sunrise, the birds are going crazy. Can't wait to enjoy this walk to us. And there's our goal for coffee this morning and breakfast here. It's 7:30. Look how pretty it is out here. I love it. It is 8 o'clock. The bells just rang in the church up on the hill, and we made it to Zerauki, however you want to say it. It's a gorgeous morning. Wonderful breakfast, leaving town. It's so gorgeous. Look at those cliffs out over there. I'm trying to figure out how many different shades of green you can see just in one shot. Perfect day. So last year I burst into tears at the top of these steps because I couldn't come down, and these Spanish ladies helped me down, carry my pack for me, and this time I made it all by myself. I'm so proud of myself. This old Roman road and bridge. This is an old Roman road that comes down this old Roman bridge, and last year, for whatever reason, I burst into tears at the top of this bridge. I could not come down the steps. I just couldn't. I had some kind of weird panic attack. And this year I made it down all by myself without any help. I'm so proud of myself. Almost to Lorca, and here's this cool canal overhead. Almost like the Romans had. Still a gorgeous day. It's getting warm now. We're in Lorca. There's 2 albergues right across the street from each other. I stayed in this one in 2015, and my friends stayed in this one. Almost to Villa Tuerta. And if you're walking through Spain and you see these great big fields full of black plastic rows, this is white asparagus. They're keeping it covered up. In Germany, they use white plastic, and here in Spain, they use black. So look for the white asparagus on your meals. It's just about 12:30. We're leaving Villa Tuerta on our way to Estella, and look at this field of poppies. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, I love them. We made it to Estella. It's 1:45. Good time. This is our hostel. It's right on the edge of town. We're glad because it is very humid outside, and we're ready to be done. We've checked into our room in Estella, and for a single bed with breakfast, it was 24 euros. And this is our view. This is my bed. We have our own bathroom. There's 4 women in here. There's a bathroom and a shower, and there's a bunk bed, but we've got single beds. I think for that price, for 4 women in one room with their own bathroom, their own shower, you just can't beat that. That's a good price. And that's with breakfast. Breakfast is 6 euros. Oh, I'm happy to be here. I'm tired. It's 2 o'clock. This is our floor in the albergue. I'm just amazed at this place. They've kind of thought of everything. It's super comfortable. Let's go look downstairs. This is the common room. Look at the beams used on this. Nice place to sit and eat if you want. This is the hostel from outside, or the albergue. I'm thrilled to be here. This is such a nice place.